I think let's show you different scenes outside. Let's see how exactly those that were protesting against Timothy Omotoso, how they feel and what the reaction is like outside. We will be moving now. We are now moving outside. We're trying to get our way through now, Michelle. We are moving outside now. We will be moving outside now, Michelle, so that we can show you the scenes coming outside the church, just to also get a reaction from those that were protesting against Timothy Omotoso. We could see that members of the ANC and parts of some of the community members are still gathered outside by the barricades, and they are currently being addressed by the Women's League on the way forward, I'm guessing. But for them, this is not as joyful as we saw inside that church there, Michelle. We're getting closer to them so that we can also get a reaction from them regarding this. And just to also remind people is that this is about the review of the application filed by Timothy Omotoso so that he can challenge the decision that was made by the minister to declare him a prohibited person. Therefore, that could have resulted in his deportation. So what was being argued at the East London Magistrates Court, Michelle, was his deportation, but he is fighting that, and he is reviewing the decision that was made by the minister. We have arrived outside the courtroom just to show you, as you can see, nothing joyous, but let's speak to some of those that were here today. Let's talk to them. Namhlanje uphinde ukhutshiwe uOmotoso kuthiwa makalinde kude ke ngoku lixoxe elityala lakhe lohamba. Nithini nina nilapha ningalapha ngaphandle?
Si-disappointed kakhulu sisi kakhulu. Sicela oonoteksi bangenelele nobhuti, ubhuti wethu uGabhela makangenelele. Imbi kakhulu le nto iqhubekayo. Nocwecwe khange ihoye into yakhe. uOmotoso makahoye nocwecwe into yakhe ihoye. Sikhubekeke gqithi sisi.
Xa usithi mayihoywe uthetha ukuthini mama?
Mayihoywe ngurhulumente wethu. uRamaphosa naye uOscar Mabuyane mabeze kuthi bazohoya izinto.
All right. Let's also get someone else that we can also speak to get a reaction, ma'am.
Ibuhlungu kakhulu kuba ngabantwana aba kwenzeka lento. But nabo bakhona naba bantwana bayavuya bavuyela lo tata uba makahlala apha kuthi eMzantsi. Ayikho right lento yenzekayo. Ayikho right kuba xa kunokuthiwa ngomso naba babulewa abantwana kuzothwani ke ngokwemva koko. Sinefothe apha abantwana bebelila apha becela uba mayiyeke la ngxolo yenzekayo yenzela ke kude until ngo4 o'clock oko kusenziwa ingxolo every day ecaweni. Abantwana bayabhala bathi abakwazi ubhala oko bebecela urhulumente uba makuyonqandwa la cawe ilapha isecankwe court iphofa ihoywa mntu.
All right, she's just to summarize as we make our way, Michelle, to some of the clergymen who were leading that march against Timothy Omotoso. I'll just quickly summarize what they had said. They're saying they need intervention from government. Something needs to happen because the complainants and the victims are young people. So therefore, this should be taken seriously. She says that university students had been complaining about the noise coming from the church there. We're going to move forward just to get some of the clergymen that were leading that march so that we can get a response to them. Reverend, we've heard that Timothy Omotoso has been released while they're waiting the application from the High Court to review the decision made by the minister that would result in his deportation. As part of the leaders that was organizing the march on Sunday, as well as the picket outside yesterday and today, what is your reaction?
We are very disappointed and angry. Let me put that, out there. He has been released again unconditionally because of a technicality. When we inquired, we were told that he's been released because since this was not a criminal offense, but an offense that was under the Immigration Act, was supposed to be kept and charged within 48 hours. Now the 48 hours expired on the morning on Monday at 7 o'clock, and his case then set in the afternoon around 2 o'clock. So then that declared Omotoso a free man. And there's nothing that we can do. All I can say is that our constitution and our laws keep on failing us. And people who are breaking the law, they keep on getting out scot-free as if they've done nothing. And we're just disappointed. That's all that we can say.
Thank you so much, Reverend. That's one of the reverends that were leading the march on Sunday, as well as the picket outside the court on Monday, as well as today against Timothy Omotoso, calling for his immediate deportation. But of course, Michelle, that is not possible, as this is a process. You also heard from the reverend on that technicality, as I had mentioned earlier on as well, was that they couldn't keep him past the 48 hours. That's according, of course, to Section 34 of the Immigration Act, is that they cannot detain him for longer than 48 hours. And also, while he is reviewing the decision made by the minister, so this matter needs to stay while they await for the High Court's decision.
All right, Sipa Kema is live to us there in East London. It is our breaking news story this hour. The Nigerian televangelist Timothy Omotoso will not be deported and will be released from custody until his application for review is heard. That's an application for review of the Home Affairs decision declaring him a prohibited person.